With USG Ceiling Technix, you don't have to start from scratch to make changes to a design. In this video, we'll explore editing an existing design within the same session. We'll also look at how to make quick edits to a previously created design in a new session. Let's say we've just generated a ceiling design and need to make edits. In our case, we just generated this lobby ceiling. It's still selected, and we've decided we want to edit the boundary lines of the baffle on this wall and also add a cutout. First, we'll click the Edit the Boundary Lines button. Once we're done with our edits, we'll just click Regenerate and watch it change. You can use Regenerate to change multiple options like finish, profile, anchor component, placement, offset, and boundary lines as often as you want with just one click of the Regenerate button. All your changes will be applied at the same time. You can also make quick edit changes to things like finish, profile, and offset in an existing design using the Edit Details pane. Here, we're going to change the height of this upper ceiling. We'll start by clicking one of the modules in the ceiling we want to edit. It will automatically select all the corresponding cassettes and open the live edit page for that specific product. In this example, we're going to change this offset. You can now see that the front part of the ceiling is higher up in elevation. If you want to make more extensive design changes to things like boundary lines, work plane, anchor cassette, or placement, you can click on the Edit Ceiling button and follow that workflow to regenerate the selected ceiling. Clicking outside the dock pane will apply your changes. And that's it. That's all there is to iterating on your design.